Why haven't we seen more of the model of the publisher giving their archive to a library like they did with with the National Library of Denmark? I wonder why we haven't seen more of that.
Well, you see that more in Europe. You know,
Right.
certainly in Denmark they've done deals like that. The KB in the Netherlands has worked out a number of those kinds of arrangements. I don't know that the Library of Congress has been all that comfortable getting into those kinds of deals. Although if they're not, one still wonders why some of the major
Right.
university research libraries haven't gone there.
Yeah, band together to
Yeah.
do something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, in a sense, you can think of Portico as kind of a collective tool for
Right.
libraries to do that, but it's a good question.
Mm.